Hello again, it's Noob, and today we get to look at a really nice, big, chunky Viro from Italy padlock. And this is a 70mm brass padlock with a really chunky 11mm thick shackle. So, a bit of a beast. Now, in my mind's eye, I thought this was basically the same size as a Corbin padlock that I featured recently with a big, chunky shackle. And turns out, no, the Corbin one was quite a bit smaller, but the shackle is just the same thickness, 11mm, which makes it look a bit disproportionate. So in my mind, it was a similar big chunky padlock, but the Viro is, well, clearly a lot bigger. But yeah, in terms of shackle thickness to body width ratio, yeah, the Corbin is still a bit unusual. What is a little bit disappointing with this Viro is that the key is, well, you know, not the best bitting. Pin number 1 is going to be a short key pin that needs to be set very high, but the rest are somewhat around the sort of low to, yeah, medium high cuts. Not maybe the hardest padlock to pick. And of course the first thing I thought was, can we rake this? So let's give raking a go first. So I have a standard Z wrench in here, and my rake of choice is going to be this Abona Duo Peak rake. And we're just going to go in, and we're going to just gently sort of rock this padlock and give it a little bit of a rake where we need to. And yeah, we're already in a bit of a false set, so I'm just going to see whether it's pin number 1 we need to just set up maybe a little higher. Yeah, there we go, we got it. So I would say that's definitely a rake with a little bit of manipulation of the first pin using this. Well, is it the first or the last peak of the rake there? But yeah, it's probably, like I said, to do with the bitting that this is an easier rake. But let's try and single pin pick this now. And to pick this, I've chosen a gem hook, and this is a 5-pin lock. So start at the back, bit of tension, nothing on 5, a little click on 4 to go past, 3 little click, 2 little click. Oh, we hit something. And we're in a false set, so I'm assuming it's pin 1, like it was when we were raking. Push up and pin 1, and we're open. That's a strong shackle spring. Very strong. I can't say it's strong shackle spring. A strong shackle spring. Yeah. So yeah, quite a beefy padlock. Probably good if it's in a nice hasp or something. Nice thick shackle, but not necessarily a very hard one to pick and rake. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, leave a like. If you haven't subscribed, now's a great time to do so for more content like this. You can always smash that notification bell to be next notified when I upload content. Have any comments, leave them down below. I do read them all and reply to as many as I can. Otherwise, stay safe, happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.